Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x80004003, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to change the date and time settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time, and then check all of these three boxes and finally click on sync now. The next solution is to restore the original region. Now, how would you do that? So, we go to the language and region section, and you need to use the original region for your language. Okay, so this is a little different. And in this tab, okay, go to time and language, date and time. Make sure to check this button, set time zone automatically, although I have already mentioned it, so that it picks up the correct location. The next solution is to reset Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it. And lastly, you can re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a PowerShell command for it. Copy it. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.